Remote teams thrive when they have clarity, balance, and trust. But managing at a distance can make it hard to see who's thriving and who's quietly struggling. Imagine discovering a top performer is working 12-hour days, silently burning out, or missing the chance to recognize someone's great work simply because you couldn't see it. These aren't just hypotheticals, they're real risks in today's remote work landscape. Time Doctor gives people-first companies the radical transparency they need to prevent burnout, recognize great work, and strengthen trust without micromanagement. We provide the clarity you need, giving you and your team a clear, respectful view of how work really happens. Spot potential burnout before it becomes a crisis. Understand true productivity without invading privacy. Celebrate high performers and support those struggling. We've helped over 10,000 global brands transform uncertainty into insight, boosting productivity by up to 30% while building a culture of trust. Enterprise-grade security ensures your data stays protected while giving your team the transparency they deserve. Stop wondering, start understanding. Discover how Time Doctor turns remote work challenges into your competitive advantage. Visit timedoctor.com and start your free trial today.